Hey guys, what's going on? So far with my camper, I have been nervous to run things on the inverter that I have because it's only 1,000 watt, and the microwave that I bought is a little bit bigger than 1,000 watts, so I haven't really been using it that much. So I went and found a 2,000 watt inverter on Kijiji. Went and picked that up today, so we'll see if we can get that installed. All right, here's my new inverter, guys. It is a 2,000 watt, just Motomaster Canadian Tire run-of-the-mill thing up here. Seems a little bit bigger than the old one. Shouldn't be too bad. The one thing I was really looking for with the new one was getting the remote control for it. That way I don't have to keep removing the bottom piece down here to actually turn it on. I can just click a button and away she goes. So we'll see if we can get that installed. I gotta remove the old one, see if I can sell that on Kijiji, and then see if we can make some popcorn. That didn't sound good at all. The old 1,000 watt, like I said, was too small for a lot of the stuff that I got, especially since I got this new induction pan, which works great when I'm plugged in. I haven't even tried to use it off the inverter because 1,000 is only like a quarter of the power on this thing, and so it goes up to 1,800 watts. So with that, I definitely need that. So we'll go in here and take both the connections off there, unplug it from the back there, unscrew it from the floor, and just throw it in. It should be pretty simple. Had my CO detector down below. Just wanted to make sure that my diesel heater wasn't pumping anything crazy into there. And well, I'm still here, so I guess that works. See you later. Those two off. Ground. Nice. So this one's got these fancy little covers that go over top of it, which are kind of cool. But we have one problem. Remember last time when I upgraded all the ends of my cables? Well, I didn't do that with these ones. So these are like quarter ring terminals. Definitely need, like, creates something different. So gotta get the good old fancy drill and drill these ends out because I'm not cutting these ones off. Nice. I'll get this thing mounted in here first. I'll get it screwed down to the floor, and then once I get that screwed down, I'll grab the drill at the ends of the cables and get that all hooked up. So I lied. I'm not gonna put that in first. Fixed. See? Easy. Yeah, I should probably vacuum that. Cutscene to vacuuming. Put the on backwards. Okay, so the next part is I gotta figure out where I want to mount this. I was thinking here, but I don't know how I like that. And I was thinking on the other side there, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that. Other option is down on the floor, right here. Kind of get it up and out of the way. I mean, I could put it there. That's kind of I don't like what's there or not. I think I might just put it there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put it there. I think I'm just gonna put it right here. Just get it all kind of marked out and cut a hole the best I can and go from there. Got the inverter all wired up, negative on, positive. I mounted the on-off remote switch just over by here so I can touch it with my feet because I'm lazy. Convenient. So now you just touch this button. My automatic transfer switch, which apparently doesn't get used often enough, gets all turned over there. I'm now running off inverter power. Are they making a dent in my batteries? I can now use the microwave. And I can now use the best part of this, my new induction top. This thing's gonna be sweet. I've used this quite a bit now. It boils water in like 20 seconds when you put it on full blast. 1800 watts, that was one of the biggest. Like to go full power on this thing, it uses the 1800 watts. That was one of the biggest reasons I really wanted to upgrade to a 2000 watt inverter. That way I can use this thing full tilt if I need to. Other than that, just makes this a whole lot better. Until the next update, we'll see you then.